Hello, friends. All of us want to be successful. All of us want to have a lot of money. All of us want to pass that exam. All of us want to get all that we dream of. But only thinking of success, only thinking of having a lot of money, or only dreaming of so many things, will that get you anything? Success, money, having your dreams, these are all the effects of the causes that you put in. These are all the results of the hard work that you put in. If you keep thinking of the results, if you only do is that you keep thinking of the results, you are never gonna get success, you are never gonna get money, you are never gonna get your dreams come true. You need to input the right thing to get the right output. So if the output that you want is success, if the output that you want is your dreams coming true, if the output that you want is having a lot of money, then you need to put in the right inputs, right amount of, to get the right amount of output. Yes, it all depends on how much of success you want, how much of money you want, and how many of your dreams to get true. If you really know how much of what you want, you would also have to know, you will have to know how much of the things you will have to put in, how much of hard work you will have to put in. If you compromise on the inputs, your output gets distorted. Your output gets affected. If you do not give enough inputs, if you do not work enough, if you do not make sure that you are working hard as much as required, if you do not make sure that you are doing all that you can, you would not get all that you could have got. That's as simple as that. If you do not do all that you could, you would not get all that you could. As small as that, as simple as that. If you really want to get all that you should be getting, you will have to put in all that you should have been putting in. You cannot compromise on that. You cannot cheat anybody. You cannot lie yourself. You cannot lie anybody else, because whatever you put in would be visible when you get the results. If you fail in your exam, that means you had not put in the right amount of efforts. If you do not have enough money, if you are not rich, if you are not successful, that means you have not put in the right amount of work, hard work, efforts that was required to get a minimum level of success, a minimum level of money, a minimum level of the dreams coming true. When I started my career, I had a lot of dreams for myself. Everybody has. The problem only is that most of us give up on the dreams that we have, give up on the goals that we have, because we somehow accept that I cannot put in so much of hard work. We come to an agreement that okay, I will compromise with my dreams, I will compromise with my success, I will compromise with the money that I have, because I am ready to compromise, because I am compromising with the work, with the effort that I am putting in. If I am compromising on this side, my results would get compromised, and somehow I accept that fact. I start to accept that fact that it's okay. It's okay to get less of success, less of money, less of everything, because I am putting in less of everything. We get into that equilibrium somehow. But why? When I started my career, I had a lot of dreams, as everybody has, and trust me, when I started with a big failure, I started with a small business and I failed miserably. I had loaned money, taken money from my dad, a lot of money, to start a small business here in Kolkata in India, and it failed. It failed badly because I did not have any business experience. I was trying to learn things, and that was not the best way to learn things, and I failed. And when I failed, I had to start from zero, because I did not want to get into a job again, because I had left one 6 months back. I wanted to do something on my own, and to start something on my own, I had to start from a zero. But I still had a lot of dreams for myself. I still wanted to have a lot of things for myself. I wanted that new car, I wanted that new house, I wanted to live a successful life. I wanted to get all that I wanted. I wanted to buy. I wanted to have the money to buy anything and everything that I wanted to buy. I had a lot of all those dreams in my mind, but also had to start from zero. I remember the times when I and my wife, we struggled buying a Subway, 100 rupees Subway. We bought it once a week and we shared one Subway together. So 100 rupee Subway, we had to share it together because we could not afford to spend that 100 rupees every day or once a week so that we can each have one individual Subways. We did not have that kind of money. That is where I started from. But I made sure that I am giving in all that I could so that I get the results that I want from myself. We started working hard as much as we could. We worked the whole night, we worked the entire day. I used to sleep for 3 or 4 hours a day, and from there to a 7-figure business and taking it towards a 8-figure business, from being a one-person company with nobody in my team, nobody working for me, I doing all the work, from getting sales to doing the work to delivering to getting to invoicing the client, collecting the payments, doing every single thing all on myself, to now having an about 50 employee company with designated people doing the HR function, the accounting function, the operations, the sales, having people for everything. It has not been easy, but I still have new goals, new targets, new dreams, a new car, a new home, a new success definition for myself, and I am still putting in the same amount of effort that I should be putting in to get the success that I want to get. So if you really want to get the success that you want to get, if you really want to get the money that you want to get, if you really want to get your dreams that you dream of, you will have to put in all that you have. You cannot compromise on that. And the best thing is that you cannot hide it. You will get what you put in. If you think that you can compromise on the work that you are putting in and nobody would know about it, or your boss would not know about it, that you have done something wrong here, you have taken some shortcuts here, your boss would not know it, or your customer would not know it. Boss, the customer might not get to know, your boss might not get to know, but you would be getting what you are putting in. You would be getting what you are putting in. So be honest. Be really honest with what you put in. Do not compromise. Do not think that your boss would not know. Do not think that your customers would not know, because they know what they need to know, and you would get what you need to get. Not from that customer maybe, not from that boss maybe, but your life is not going to end there with that boss or with that customer. It has to be much more than that. And if you really want much more than what you are getting now, you need to start putting in all that you have, without compromise, without hesitation, without lying yourself. You will get what you want to get. Wish you all the very best. From me, Savan Kumar. Have a good and a wonderful day.